Opening shot of a person looking in the mirror, looking unhappy with their body. Narrator, are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your weight? Are you ready to make a change and take control of your body? Cut to a shot of a person browsing through a cookbook or searching online for recipes. Narrator, the ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Cut to a shot of food items such as eggs, meat, avocado, and nuts, with a voiceover explaining the types of foods allowed on the keto diet. Narrator, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This means you can eat delicious, satisfying foods while still losing weight. Cut to a shot of the person from the opening shot looking happy and confident, having lost weight. Narrator, with the keto diet, you'll be able to lose weight and improve your health without feeling deprived. So why wait? Take control of your body and start your journey to a healthier you today. Closing shot of the person smiling at the camera. Narrator, consult your doctor before starting any new diet or exercise program. For more, check the description box and subscribe for more updates.